Welcome to all of you. My name is Deep Krishna. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes you perfect. Only watching conversational videos won't be going to help you more. केवल कन्वर्सेशन वाली वीडियोस देखने से आपको इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आ सकता, उसके लिए आपको प्रैक्टिस भी करनी पड़ेगी। चलिए हमारे साथ प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। लेट्स डू प्रैक्टिस विथ मी। फर्स्ट आई विल स्पीक, देन यू विल रिपीट सेम। हेलो, व्हाट्स योर नेम? हेलो, व्हाट्स योर नेम? नाउ योर टर्न। Hi, my name is Krishna. Hi, my name is Krishna. Now your turn. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 24 years old. I'm 24 years old. What's your education? What's your education? I'm pursuing my MBA from Delhi University. I'm pursuing my MBA from Delhi University. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live at Lajpat Nagar in Delhi. I live at Lajpat Nagar in Delhi. What's your aim? What's your aim? I want to become a CA. I want to become a CA. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? My hobbies are playing cricket and watching TV. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching TV. What's your father's name? What's your father's name? My father's name is Mr. Rajiv. My father's name is Mr. Rajiv. What does your father do? What does your father do? He is a businessman. He is a businessman. What's your mother name? What's your mother name? My mother name is Mrs. Pooja. My mother name is Mrs. Pooja. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? She is a teacher in school. She is a teacher in school. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have two elder brothers. I have two elder brothers. What do they do? What do they do? Both are studying in college. Both are studying in college. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? My phone number is 9810464711. My phone number is 9810464711. What's your email address? What's your email address? My email address is wow@gmail.com. My email address is wow@gmail.com. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is rajma and rice. My favorite food is rajma and rice. What's your favorite game? What's your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. My favorite game is cricket. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Bhagwan. My favorite movie is Bhagwan. Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is Ajay Devgan. My favorite actor is Ajay Devgan. Who is your favorite actress? Who is your favorite actress? My favorite actress is Aishwarya Rai. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend name is Deepak. My best friend name is Deepak. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I watch movie and cricket. In my free time, I watch movie and cricket. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is lassi. My favorite drink is lassi. Do you take coffee or tea? Do you take coffee or tea? I prefer tea. I prefer tea. What time do you get up in the morning? What time do you get up in the morning? I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get up 6 o'clock in the morning. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 o'clock. I go to bed at 11 o'clock.